What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing and a setup of my new gaming setup for the PlayStation 4. I don't have a PC, but all the stuff that I do name in this video will be down in the links below. So hope you enjoy this video. If you're new here, like this video, subscribe if you're new. Let's get to it.
Ever since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the paint.
Alright, here you guys go. So here's me setting up my gaming desk system that I did purchase from Amazon. The links to this will be in the description box below if you want to check it out. Little Amazon affiliate links. This wasn't very hard to set up, very easy. I don't have a PC, but I do play games on the console, and I'll be showing you guys for another video the full gaming setup with the editing setup and everything else. So stay tuned for that video. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be ready for that video when it comes out. But here you go with this video. Hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek preview of me doing the gaming setup, and I hope you did enjoy the video. God bless everybody. Peace. This is the gaming monitor that I have got, VG245H. This is a 75 hertz monitor. That was the monitor that I bought for the PlayStation 4. You know, PlayStation only caps out at 60 hertz. This monitor only caps out at 75. So since I don't have a gaming PC, I figured I might as well just, you know, get a nice little monitor. But once I finish with everything, the setup and all, then I'll be showing you guys my gaming setup / workstation for my MacBook Pro, so I can have a table to edit on all my videos, get everything else. The live streams is coming back. I got the Elgato sitting over there. Everything that I show and all this in the whole video, all the links and stuff will be down in the description box below in the category section, my equipment, and there'll be little Amazon affiliated links. So if you want to help me, you know, see anything that you like, want to purchase, go ahead and use my links down below. Asus, remember notice how to set it up. What it comes with in the box, you do get another HDMI cable. I got so many HDMI cables, it's unbelievable. Here's the nice base. This is the Asus VG245H gaming monitor. It says console ready, but you can use it for PC if you have, you know, if you're on a budget. I care, play like a pro, full HD, 2 HDMI cables, 1 millisecond refresh time. I was gonna get the 27-inch, but as I was talking to a lot of people, pros, and if you want to get competitive, they mostly game on a 24. But here it is right here. See, there's the gaming monitor. Stay tuned for the whole gaming setup. Hope you did enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. Check the description box if you want to purchase any of the stuff that I use. It'll be under the category My Equipment in the description box below. So check that. Little Amazon affiliated links. I hope you did enjoy this video. It's your boy Brandon from Crayton TV, aka BMC. You see it up there. And other than that, God bless everybody. Peace.